how Latinos can stay positive in a sea of negativity. Now, it's never been more important for Latinos to turn their emotions into strategy than now. And for those of us that want to be a positive force for our community, here are 3 disciplines that we need to dominate our focus. First, he who has the gold makes the rules. A wealthy Latino community is the best revenge, and there's nothing that'll hurt our adversaries more than watching us succeed. So while everyone is fighting each other, focus on making money and building wealth. And you're not being selfish, because the wealthier we become as a group, the more influence we will have in the long run. Second, thou shalt not speak ill of thy fellow Latinos. The days after 9/11 are when many Americans felt the most unified, patriotic, and connected. And for Latinos, that time is now. This is not the time for bickering or constructive criticism. This is the time for love and collaboration, to bend over backwards for each other. So in a few years, when our kids ask us, what did we do during the war? We can speak about the feeling of community and support that we had towards each other, and how during one of our darkest times, Latinos had each other's back. And finally, when it comes to politics, reject culture wars and focus on economic policies. Politicians are notorious for driving us apart on cultural issues such as race and religion, so that we ignore the economic policies that tend to favor companies over people, donors over voters, and older and wealthier populations over younger, more hardworking ones. We are at a pivotal time in Latino history. This is the time for thinking strategically, and it's a time to build wealth. It's a time for unity, similar to the kinship we felt for our neighbors in the days following 9/11. And it's a time to get mature about politics and avoid the manipulation of politicians who are only in it for themselves. The future can be ours. If you want to learn more about the Latino brand, leadership, and building wealth, follow me for more.